For the temperature test, we will measure how hot the stove can get. This will help us understand the heat output and efficiency of the stove. Higher and stable temperature means better performance. Next is the cooking test. In this test, we will cook food using the stove to see if it can provide stable heat. We will check if the flame is strong enough and if the stove can maintain a consistent temperature during cooking. Glue flame test now. Let's Finally, we will do the smoke test. Here, we will observe how much smoke is produced during operation. Less smoke means cleaner burning and better air-fuel mixing. Conclusion: as you can see, the used engine oil stove and cooking oil stove can be a powerful and cost-effective alternative fuel stove. With proper design and adjustment, it can burn efficiently with minimal smoke and strong heat output. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY stove projects.